Good evening everyone. Good evening students. Today I will discuss about one topic, that is acid, bases and salts. Yes. Okay. Now you have write the acids, bases and salts. Common basic features of acids and bases and salts. Now, what is the definition of acid? The acid is the substance which have give to the H plus ions. The substance which have give to the H plus ions, that is called acids. And acid H plus ions give is called acid. It is the definition of acid. H plus ions gives is called acids. And acids, which taste is present? Acid is a sour taste. Which taste is present? Sour taste. Acid anytime sour taste. And also acid anytime he form to the litmus paper. In how to blue litmus paper convert into red. Blue litmus paper converted to the red. Actually, you know that so many two types of litmus papers is there. Red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. When you have to using blue litmus paper in acid near, that is convert into blue litmus, convert into red. It is a acid. You will find out the acid. In acid near, you have to keeping it is a acid or base. You have to find out. You have to using litmus paper. And when time it is the indicators is there. Indicators means indicator which is the acid or base. You have to find out the one is the litmus paper, another one is the you will using on methyl orange, phenolphthalein indicator. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicator you will using on which acid or base is present in one compound. You will find out the in this indicators. That means of indicators using methyl orange 1 and phenolphthalein indicator you will using. This type of indicator you will using, it is a acid or base, whatever it may be present, you will find out. And next you will methyl orange you will add it to the acid, the color will be changed to the red. And phenolphthalein you will add it to the acid, the color will be changed to the pink. Okay, next to base, the substance which give to the OH minus ion. OH minus ion gives is called base. And bases, which taste is present? Bitter taste. Bases anytime bitter taste. And litmus paper, red litmus paper, blue. Red litmus paper, red to blue. Red litmus paper convert into blue. It's the main basics of acid bases. Now neutralization means salts. Neutralization means salts. Okay, salts how to produce? Actually, in acid react with base, it coming with result salt and water. Suppose example, acid react with base, it coming with result salt and water. It is the most important in 10th class 2 marks question. And equation is the HCl, NaOH and NaCl plus H2O. It is the HCl is a acid, NaOH is a base. It's convert into results NaCl salt. This is the salt, and convert release the water also H2O. Okay, this is called neutralization reaction. That is the salt. Which taste is present? Salts, salty. Which taste is present? Salts, salty. And next you have to discuss 4 marks question, important question in 10th class. Acid react with metal. Acid react with metal. You will using acid react with metal. Anytime you will using acid react with metal. What coming with acid react with metal? Suppose example first some example acid bases you will write some formulas. HCl is a acid, H2SO4 is acid. It is a HCl is hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid, and next to HNO3 nitric acid, and CH3COOH, it is a acetic acid, and next to H2CO3 carbonic acid, H3PO4 phosphoric acid. These all are acids, but when time it is a strong acid, weak acid, you will find out in pH scale. pH scale 0 to 6 is there acid, 7 is there neutral, 8 to 14 is a base. Now it is a acid. Some bases you have to discuss. It is a acids. Now bases you have to find out. Bases. Okay, bases NaOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium dihydroxide, and Mg, magnesium dihydroxide, Al, OH3, aluminum trihydroxide, aluminum trihydroxide, and this type of and also is present in the all our bases. Some example of acids, some example of bases. Now most important question, 4 marks. Acid react with metal. HCl acid react with metal, Zn. Zinc granules is the metal, and it convert into ZnCl2 and release the hydrogen gas. When acid react with metal, it coming with ZnCl, zinc chloride, and release the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas symbol is upward direction. It is called as upward direction is called gas. Upward direction is called gas. Now actually it is a acid react with metal. Acid react with metal. Okay, acid react with metal is the most important question in 4 marks. Actually, when you have to writing the question, you will use first aim, next requirements, next procedure, observe, and finally you will using result and precautions. This type of question you will writing, it coming with 4 marks. First diagram wearing, diagram you have to show. Take the retort stand, take a retort stand and clamp. You will take one clamp near test tube. You will take one test tube we have to take, and rubber cork, and you will use stitching on this, and delivery tube also you will using, and trowel you will using trowel is a soap water. In this near soap water you will using. Trowel near you will using soap water, and H2 gas is coming. H2 gas. H2 gas. H2 gas. Okay, now it is a test tube. Test tube near what are you have to using in this near? First hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid and dissolve with metal, zinc granules. Zinc granules. Zinc granules you will using. In this near test tube stand, and you have to take one test tube, and test tube near you will applying with HCl, zinc granules, and you have to coming with result. That means of reaction doing coming out results, one gas is evolved. That gas will be soap water near keep trough near, that is convert into upward direction. The direction will be fastest through the it is coming, which gas is coming you will find out. You will using on one candle, and you have to it is using on once matchstick you have to on, and you have to coming with this matchstick you have to awning. Fire is coming, the fire is blasting coming with H2 gas is coming means coming with result pop sound. When you have to using candle and H2 gas is coming or not, you will find out. How to find out? In a candle, fire candle you will using on a spare H2 gas near keep, that is coming off. The fire is off and coming with the sound. Which sound? Pop sound. Which sound coming? Pop sound is coming. And also is the H2 gas is released. Acid react with the metal and is near coming with result H2 gas. Acid react with the metal and coming with result H2 gas, and small amount of and the slowly coming with pop sound. Pop sound. It is the most important question. In this question you will writing time, you will using more important aim. Aim means you will prove it the acid react with metal, it coming result or not. You will prove that acid react with metal, you will write. And next to requirements, you will using requirements. Requirements means what are the materials, that means of products where you have materials you have to using, that is called requirements. Test tube stand, test tube holder, and retard stand, and also you will using on test tube and delivery tube. The delivery tube and rubber cork. In any gas not available in this near, because you will using on delivery tube, rubber cork, and trough. A trough near you will using soap water, and release the hydrogen gas is using on candle, matchstick you will using. Now aim, requirements, what are the materials you have to using, that you have materials you have to write. Next to procedure, what you are doing, first point, zinc react with hydrochloric acid and release the hydrogen gas, and you have to find out, you have to using matchstick and candle and trough. Soap water you have to observe the gas and release the outcoming, and it is using on observation. And later precautions, what is the precautions you will using? It is acid, dangerous acid, concentration acid, this one, because you will using on concentration acid. Some instruments, gloves, you will using on gloves and mask, you have to keeping slowly, how to adding with water in the acid. That's why you have to convert into slowly process, you have to doing most important. Members, you have to subscribe the channel and like this channel. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.